What do we mean by sexual mindfulness? Well, we have this word mindfulness. You may have participated in mindfulness exercises. You may have a practice of mindfulness. By mindfulness, we mean being present, being aware of our physical sensations, being aware of my body in this moment, being aware of sitting in this chair, being aware of talking, being aware of what's going on inside my body, being aware of kinesthetic experiences such as the smells, the sounds, not totally taken over by what's going on in my mind. The mind, as you know, is always constantly going, thinking about exciting things, turning us on, criticizing ourselves, thinking about lunch, thinking about everything but what's really present, thinking about the past, the future. And as in some mindfulness practices, they refer to this as the monkey mind. So in mindfulness, we're letting that go. And we're just noticing what's actually here. When we bring this to a sexual situation, it's what we call sexual mindfulness. And I've read about 10 studies now that talk about people who practice mindfulness in a sexual situation, in a sexual encounter. They report greater satisfaction with their sex lives, better self-esteem, and better satisfaction with their partner. Those are all great outcomes. And it actually is the gateway to higher states of consciousness in sex, or expanded states of consciousness. So what comes first, if you're looking for what else is going on in my sex life, it would be being able to be present without focus on orgasm, without focus on the future, without focusing on am I doing it right, letting performance anxiety go, and just being present to what is. This is what all the spiritual teachers talk about, what is present in this moment. You can bring this to your sex life, and that is sexual mindfulness.